Hello, everybody. I'm mommy, but you can call me Wagwan Mama. Well, you know what today is? Today is the first week of winter in a foreign. Can show outside cold, 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 cold. Then say a minus 16 today. Minus 16. Good God, why me come here? You see, the family them tell me say foreign a nice place. When me did a living at Jamaica. They say, oh, come a foreign, a good life here, you get a good job, the people then treat you good, you know. Sometimes it cold, but it really cold. Why me listen? Today me wake up and me put it on the news, and the news tell me say a minus 16. Me say, Jesus. I mean, I something, me no young chicken again, young spring chicken. Me a big woman, big woman. My children, them big, right? Them have house, them have car, them have picnic, and me still then a foreign. But don't raise my picnic, them, I'm still here. What me I do? My God. Then you say put on your big jacket and your best boots and your best this and everything. On the news. I mean, I say, oh, this happened to me. I thought I was a smart lady, a very smart one. And this when me come back up on a foreign snow in my whole life. Listen here, all of the Jamaican they will come a foreign, but want to tell all of you something. Okay? Foreign life is not it. Foreign life is not it. Only if you go home. Go home. This place are cool. Nobody no want whole yes sir. Cause when you whole here, then put in something called nursing home. My Jamaican people, me never hear about nursing home, Yes, so me come and hear about nursing home. And me no raise my picnic there for put me in a nursing home, but me no know because them a foreign picnic, Them a foreign picnic, so them take up this teaching here. So if you're smart, all of when you get Jamaican people when get old, if you're smart, go back to Jamaica. Don't live here. It's cold. It's very cold. Me want to show outside. Me want to show outside. Me want to do my little shopping on Saturday morning. Me want to do my little shopping. I'm scared. I'm scared of the cold. Me don't know what to do. Me don't know what to do. Jesus, let me come here.